Hey everybody, I'm in a little bit different setting today because my computer's on the fritz, but listen, I was just on Dave Morge's podcast and he asked me what the top selling assets are within multifamily. And I threw down the info because I had recently completed a study over a 3-year period that went over class A, B, and C, and you're gonna wanna take a look at this. The results might surprise you. Are you ready? Let's go!
Is there any kind of final takeaways on pulse of the market strategy is going forward, or what investor strategy should be going forward the next 5-10 years?
I did a study from 2018 to 2020 where I studied all the class ranks, right? So the way I rank classes are A, B plus, B, B minus, C plus, C, C minus. C minus is like, you don't even want to walk there during the day. It's not a good place. What I studied was what are the dollar a unit jumps from each class? And so what I found was from C minus to C, C to C plus to B minus, and B minus to B, every jump was about $15,000 to $20,000 a unit. You could buy a C class for, $70,000 a unit, put $6,000 a unit in it, and you're going to make $9,000 to $13,000, $14,000 a unit on the sale on the back end, which is nice. However, the sweet spot, which is rare, is to go from B to B plus or from B plus to A. $47,000 a unit jump. Now, if I pull up my stats here, let me tell you kind of the rarity of those, and I'll tell you the makeup of what that means to be that kind of asset in terms of age and all that stuff. So right now I'm studying the entire northern half of Florida. So a B class asset sells for $120,000 to $140,000 a unit. It's a late 1980s to early 1990s unit. It's running about $1,025 to $1,125, $1,150 a month rents. That's what a B class asset. A B plus asset is running $170 to $190 a door. They are a early 2000s to mid 2000s, like 2000 to 2010, 12, 14. Their rents are $1,300 to $1,400 a month. And again, this is for the northern half of Florida. So the idea is if you can find a B class asset that is in a good B plus location, that is as close to the late 90s to early 2000s as possible, that's a great find. However, as a percentage, that is only 11% of deals are B class. And then a B plus is even less. B plus is, for instance, if you try to find a B plus and take it to an A, B plus class assets are only 3% of sales.
Wow.
Now, you have to understand an A class is almost always new construction. It is basically from 2018 to 2021. Those are the vast majority of A class assets. There's some 2017s.
Sure.
So if a B plus is 2000 to 2010, then that has to be in a phenomenal location, and they have to increase the quality of their kitchens, bathrooms, and amenities to a new construction outfit, which can easily be 20, 25 grand, but you still have another 20 grand of profit if you can make that work. And A class assets are 10% of all sales, which are mostly new construction or 3 to 4 years old.
Yeah. And you talk about injecting that capital for something like that. You're talking a complete amenity overhaul. Those types of assets, all stainless, kitchens spectacular, bathrooms spectacular. Yeah. And then just the common stuff, technology,
and whatever the
prop tech is. Prop tech
is
huge now. So that's all becoming a thing if it isn't already installed. I'm sure all the comps have it. So you got to have that all in there. So very interesting stuff.
Hey, thanks for sticking around for that little snippet of the podcast. Don't just go after the class A and B pluses because there's so few of those closings. Go after every asset that fits your returns, but pay attention to the A's and B pluses because they're really rewarding. If you enjoyed this video, just hit the like down below and please give me a subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified immediately when the videos come available. See you guys on the next one.